What's going on, everybody? This is Brian once again. Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to do a little giveaway. It's a very simple giveaway, probably like 2 or 3 high definition wallpapers, and those pictures were taken by me personally on maybe a road trip or maybe a trip to the city. But I'm gonna give it to you guys for free. You can use it, you can share it. There's not gonna be any kind of copyright issues or anything. You're free to use. Just make sure you give my name as the credits. But in return, I want you guys to help me out with something. The kind of help I need? Okay, here we go. Tell your friends to subscribe to my channel. Then tell them to take a screenshot of the whole process. Like once they have subscribed to my channel, tell them to like this video. You see the like button right down there? So tell them to like this video and tell them to take a screenshot of that. They need to subscribe and they need to like this particular video, and in return, once you've done that, I will send you guys the link to the wallpapers, and those are gonna be high definition wallpapers. And if you got any kind of preference, like you want any specific one, you guys, I'm gonna leave my Instagram link right here. You can check it out and let me know if you want that particular wallpaper. I'm gonna send it over to you in high definition, in full resolution, that is. So tell your friends, spread the words. This is just a very small request that I'm asking you guys to help me out with, and I hope this little free giveaway is gonna be like proof to be a little bit successful. And in future, if you keep on supporting my channel like this, it's gonna be of great help. And in future, maybe I will be doing a bit bigger kind of giveaway, like maybe a Netflix account, or something that's more appealing. Okay, thank you guys for helping. Do check out my other videos. I've got fragrance reviews. You can check out the links on the top, and then I've got travel vlogs and then some how-tos as well. More photographic work coming up. I'm planning on that. Thank you for staying with me. And what do you want for the next video? Like, do you want me to do another fragrance review, or do you want me to do a photography tutorial? I mean, I'll be starting with absolute zero base, meaning like photography not even 101. I would start from photography 100, because there are a lot of people out there who basically have zero knowledge. So I want to help you guys. I'm here to help you guys, so that it'll help to decide whether you want to go for a particular camera, or what kind of things you want to do with your camera. You're starting out in photography or videography. So these are the things I'm going to discuss in those videos. Those are coming up very soon. So please stay with my channel, show your love, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, like this particular video is all about that. Get me more subscribers, get me more love for this channel. Tell your friends to comment and like on this video, get the screenshot, and make sure they do subscribe on my channel. I'm checking the count though. Thank you so much, guys. Peace out.